The ZPrinter 450 brings CAD files to life as realistic physical 3D models with precise detail and brilliant color, and does so 5 to 10 times faster than other systems at less than half the cost. Dramatically present the proposed look, feel, and style of product designs and prototypes. Vividly display architectural visions, and better communicate 3D information in education, healthcare, and the arts, all in ways that electronic displays cannot. The first automated 3D printer, the ZPrinter 450 is remarkably easy to use and very office-friendly with clean, quiet operation. And it's from Z Corporation, the industry leader in color 3D printing technology. The ZPrinter 450 is for those seeking high-quality color 3D models, plus the convenience of an in-house printer to build those models anytime, anywhere. The uniquely automated ZPrinter 450 simplifies the entire 3D printing process. Self-contained and self-monitoring, it manages nearly every aspect of printing, cutting user interaction time by 40%. Simply import your 3D data file into our ZPrint software, position as desired, and follow the prompts. The system automatically checks supplies and printer readiness, ensuring you always have the right amount of materials to complete the job. If supplies need replenishment, it's as easy as inserting a 1-liter binder cartridge, connecting a powder canister for automatic loading, or snapping in a new print head. When ready, click 3D Print and watch your 3D model emerge from the bottom up, one cross-section at a time, in 450 dpi resolution. Advanced inkjet technology builds models 5 to 10 times faster than other rapid prototyping systems, so you get your model in hours, not days. When printing is complete, a vacuum and motion system automatically removes up to 80% of loose powder and recycles it for future use. Removing the remaining powder is just as easy, using lightly compressed air in an enclosed chamber that vacuums away particles as you go. Plus, with no physical support structures attached to the model, like other printers, you can say goodbye to dangerous scraping tools and chemical baths. Every 3D model emerges clean and ready for finishing with one of 3 processes that vary surface finish to match any application. Choose a quick dip in Z-Bond sealant followed by a short drying period. Get the same effect by dripping Z-Bond over the model, or lightly brush with Z-Max Infiltrant for a strong, brilliant color finish. Regardless of which you choose, you get a smooth, vivid color model that lasts, and you get it fast. In fact, from start to finish, this model was printed, depowdered, and finished in under 4 hours. Best of all, the ZPrinter 450 is incredibly office-friendly. With a small footprint, negative pressure dust control, noise suppression, and zero liquid waste, it's just like any other printer in your office. Everyone can afford to create 3D concept models, functional product prototypes, architectural models, and more, and do it all in-house.